Hello, it's Zoe from Squeaker Chimp, and yesterday, or in one of my previous videos, I showed you how to make tube beads, how to roll them, how to cut them, and these were the ones that I made. But I showed these ones, these Batik ones, as the example. I don't know if you can see that. Let me move the light a bit closer because it's a bit dark in here. These Batik ones, and they've caused a bit of a stir because a lot of people want to know exactly how I've made beads out of fabric. They're not made out of fabric, but you can make beads out of fabric because this one is paper and fabric. So that is a completely different process. This has got sari silk fabric on it, which is this stuff here. But I will show that in a completely different video, how to cover your beads with sari silk fabric and when to do it, before rolling, after rolling. But it's these ones, these Batik ones, that I want to show you today. So basically I took the image of Batik fabric and I put them onto one of my bead templates, which is here. So you can see I've got one here. So this is the bit that is the Batik fabric, this one here. So it's a bit dark today, sorry, it's a bit early in the morning to be doing recording, but some of us have got work later on, so we kind of have to do it when we have to do it. So this is it. So what I'm going to do is, because my printer will not print right up to the edge, I mean, if you've got a printer that will do that, then fantastic, but mine won't. So I'm just going to chop off the edges, just like I did in the other tutorial in which I showed you how to make tube beads. And this is what my sheet looks like. So I've got all of my different Batik fabrics on here, but I've just chopped one out for now. And then go to the wrong end and get my roller and just roll in exactly the same way as I did yesterday. So roll it up a little way, flip it over, and then I slide it up my roller, not completely off, but just slide it up. If you can see how far I've slid it up, I just think that way then you're not getting confused between the end of the roller and where the end of the actual bead is. You've got a very clear definition. We're rolling the bead, and I can see already it's going a bit wonky at the bottom. Just using my nail to hold it in place. Roll it, just rearrange it as you go. Make sure that you're happy with how it's lining up. Okay, and then the last bit, just glue it in place. Just going to turn it over. Stick some glue on, smush my glue around. This is where you've got to make sure that you've got it accurate, because if you go slightly off at this point, I'm going to end up with a nice bead. Just roll it round, pull it off. What you can do is put it down on the ground and just make sure you can see that, and use the other end of my bead tool. It's a bit dark in here, I'm afraid. But there we go, one Batik bead. No fabric involved, just printed onto paper. And I will make the template available soon on my Etsy store and on my my own website. Some labels here, a little bit of a discount code if you want to use it. But yeah, I will make the template available for a small price. It's not going to be a lot. And if anyone else wants to make them, then do. This is what they look like when they're glazed. So this is the same bead but glazed, so you can see the difference. And people think that they are made out of actual Batik fabric, which has just confused people. But no, it's still paper, 100% paper, just made to look like Batik fabric. So I hope this has helped some people, and I hope it's given you some ideas for things that you can do with your paper beads. Excuse my mess of a desk, but ho-hum, you know, messy desk, creative mind and all of that. And stay tuned for more tutorials. See you soon.